After such a lovely time in Venice, we took a short flight and arrived in Zurich. Thankfully, getting from the airport to our Airbnb was surprisingly easy. Zurich's train system was really straightforward, even with all of our luggage. Before checking in though, food was definitely the priority. We found this really good Greek restaurant right across the street from the train station. Since we didn't want to drag our luggage all over the city, looking for somewhere to eat, it ended up being the perfect first stop. From there, our Airbnb was only about a 10-minute walk away. We dropped everything off, got settled in, and then headed back to visit the Swiss National Museum. And just to be clear, this was not a real person. It definitely fooled us though. Of course, we couldn't come to Switzerland without trying some chocolate fondue. Hope that's how you say it. So we stopped at Swiss Chuchi, a Swiss restaurant inside Hotel Adler. The chocolate was really good and it was just like the perfect little treat while exploring the city. Afterwards, we continued walking around Old Town and then we wanted to ride the Polybahn. I thought the ride was going to be much longer, but it was literally only about 3 minutes going up and then we came right back down. It was short, but still a fun little experience. It may not look very late in the footage because the sun was still out, but by this point it was already getting into the evening. Between our early flight and walking around all day, we were pretty tired, so we decided to head back to the Airbnb and finally get some rest. I don't even know if y'all would believe me, but it's past 9 p.m. Look how bright it is outside. That doesn't even make sense. No wonder people stay up late here. Good morning. I think I showed you all last night that it was like freaking bright at like 9 p.m. Well, right now we're on our way to the train station, which is conveniently a 10-minute walk from our Airbnb thanks to this lady right here. So basically we're walking over because we have a train at 6:30-ish a.m. So right now it's like, I think it's not even 6 a.m. And do y'all see how bright it is? You could tell me it's like 7:30 right now. I guess we're pretty high up north and on the earth. So yeah, we're gonna go catch a train and head to the mountains. We will see you there. Well, hello. We have made it to Kandersteg. We're walking towards Lake Oceanensee right now. We just saw some horses. We're kind of a little tired because we woke up super early, but we're excited to be here. I'll show you guys the sign right now. Hopefully it'll be easy to find the little cable car. Made it to the little cable car and now we're going up to the lake. It actually wasn't a 10-minute walk, it's more like 20, but it is scenic, so you guys would like it. That's it for now. What's up? So, what do we got here, Cynthia? What are we doing?
Italian snacks in Switzerland.
In Switzerland. We are currently at Lake Oceanensee, and we packed some sandwiches from the grocery market here, and we're sitting with a view having lunch. It's so beautiful. Yeah, you can't make this up. So cool. We made it on the boat! Cynthia's hard at work over there. And I am enjoying the view. It feels really good out here.
Como vos no sos.
I'll row it back. So we're at this restaurant that said it has the best fondue in this little old town of Oceanside. We're waiting for a cheese fondue. I'm really tired, but we had a really good day at the lake and we're excited to keep it going by looking at the shops. The weather's been really nice and I am starting to get a little tired from walking, but it's part of the experience. Oh, we also rode a little mountain coaster. That was really cool. And Cynthia didn't even use her hand to drive it. That was funny, but she got good videos. All right, that's all she has to say. All right, we made it. We are.
I'm here by force.
Cynthia decided to come with me. I was gonna come by myself, but she blessed me with her presence. And I think she might have a different opinion on soccer after this, but y'all.
Probably not, y'all. Probably not. Probably not.
But I'm very excited to be here. It's so cool already. Probably the happiest I've been at any museum. But, ooh, look right here, Inter. This man, I was in love with this. El cachabacho. I don't want to say that people hate on me, but I'm drinking a non-alcoholic drink.
A mocktail.
Oh. Hygiene first, you guys, don't forget. This is my video diary to myself. So one day when I'm old and I have children, they're gonna remember that their mom was cool. I may not be in the future. Okay, Cynthia, what has been your favorite part of Zurich?
Eating chocolate.
Wait. All right, favorite part of Zurich, go. Chocolate. Chocolate. The SpongeBob. Has your favorite part maybe included eating cheese fondue? No. What about chocolate fondue? Sure. The Lindt Chocolate Museum? Absolutely. 10 out of 10 recommend, you guys. All right, Cynthia, look at the camera. Say goodbye. Bye. All right, everybody. That right there, my friends, is Palazzo Ducale. Doge's Palace, para que me entiendan. And we've been there. And that's what it looked like before we had been there. Y uno va ilustrándose. Oh, there's a lift. Okay, bye. of the ETH, which is the university here in Zurich. And because this guy told us at a shop that it's like the smallest museum in Zurich, because it's Einstein's locker. So that's what we're looking for. So we kind of just walked in and we're gonna see if we find it. Hopefully we do. Here it is, we found it. That's cool, not something I saw on TikTok.